former Pakistan Prime Minister and Tehreek-e-Insaf chief Imran Khan has been arrested by Islamabad police from Lahore. Now, the Islamabad court has sentenced the PTI chief to 3 years imprisonment, and Imran Khan has also been disqualified for 5 years. Now, the police will bring Imran Khan from Lahore to Islamabad, and additional police personnel will be deployed in Islamabad amid security concerns. Now, this development comes after the Islamabad court found Imran Khan guilty of corruption in the Toshakhana case. He's also been fined 1 lakh Pakistani rupees. Now, an arrest warrant was issued and the Islamabad police was directed to arrest him post the verdict. His party, PTI, has termed it the worst trial in history and a biased decision by the judge. The party also called it a political revenge.
मेरे पाकिस्तानियों, जब तक ये पैगाम आप तक पहुंचेगा, मुझे ये अरेस्ट कर चुके होंगे और मैं जेल में होऊंगा, तो मेरी आपसे सिर्फ एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, अपील है कि आपने घरों में चुप करके नहीं बैठना। मैं ये जो जदोजहद कर रहा हूँ, ये अपनी ज़ात के लिए नहीं कर रहा, ये अपनी कौम के लिए कर रहा हूँ, आपके लिए कर रहा हूँ, आपके बच्चों के मुस्तकबिल के लिए कर रहा हूँ। अगर आप अपने हुकूक के लिए नहीं खड़े होंगे, आप ग़ुलामों की ज़िंदगी गुजारेंगे, और ग़ुलामों की कोई ज़िंदगी नहीं होती। ग़ुलाम ऐसे होते हैं जैसे चूंटियाँ ज़मीन पे होती हैं, उनके ऊपर परवाज़ नहीं होती। और ये बड़ी ख्वाब का नाम था पाकिस्तान। नारा था ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? कि हम कोई इंसान के सामने नहीं झुकते। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह इंसान की ग़ुलामी से हमें आज़ाद करता है। और हमारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने अपनी मदीना की रियासत में सबसे पहले इंसानों को आज़ाद किया था अदल और इंसाफ दे के। ये है जंग इंसाफ की, आपके हकूक़ की, आपकी आज़ादी की। और कभी भी याद रखें, कोई आज़ादी प्लेट में रख के नहीं देता। जिस तरह मैं कहता हूँ, जंजीरें गिरती नहीं हैं, तोड़नी पड़ती हैं। पुरअमन एहतजाज आपने करते रहना है जब तक कि आपको आपका हक नहीं मिलता। और वो सबसे बड़ा फंडामेंटल राइट है, वोट के ज़रिए अपनी हुकूमत मुंतखब करना, ना तो किसी और कोई कब्ज़ा ग्रुप इस मुल्क के ऊपर कब्ज़ा करके बैठ जाए जो आज कब्ज़ा करके बैठा हुआ है।
आज इमरान खान साहब को जो सज़ा सुना दी गई है जज मुय्यद लावर साहब की तरफ से, और सज़ा में उन्होंने कहा है कि 3 साल की सज़ा होगी और इनको जो है ना नायल किया जाता है। ये सज़ा उन्होंने सुनाई। हाई कोर्ट हमारे पास, अपर जो कोर्ट हाई कोर्ट है, वहाँ पे हमारे राइट हमारे पास है भी। वहाँ पे हम अपने आप को वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं और अपना जो है ना जो फैसला है इसके खिलाफ वहाँ पे जा सकते हैं।
To take this conversation further, I'm joined in by Abdul Samad Yaqoob, PTI spokesperson. Abdul, appreciate you taking the time out and joining us here on Mirror Now. Let me begin by asking you this. Now, the party is already fighting this legally. How else will the party combat this? So what is your next course of action?
Well, we are a political party. As we are a political party, we are a law-abiding party, and we have to make a struggle. Like we are continuing struggling and battling against in the courts. So we will continue it. We have a right to appeal in the higher courts. So we will go to the higher courts. We will appeal it because this is these are the false allegations. I mean, the most honest person, the most popular leader of the Pakistan. I mean, he's considered to be the most honest political leader in the history of Pakistan, has been arrested in the corrupt practices. Apparently, the accusation is only about the watch. So this is the blatant, I mean, fascism. This fascist regime is politically victimizing our leader. I mean, they are trying to put him in the bars, and so they can conduct the elections. I mean, one-sided elections, and then they try to get back into the power. So this happens. I mean, this is not the first time in the history of Pakistan. I mean, even the former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif was disqualified and later arrested. Benazir Bhutto was assassinated. Bhutto was assassinated. I mean, he was, which I call a judicial murder. and Liaquat Ali Khan. So we have so many examples about these political victimizations. And finally, we thought that we are becoming politically mature, but unfortunately, Pakistan is still having the sham democracy, and these fascist regimes. I mean, they are putting Pakistan into the worst situation. Yes.
Abdul, as you point that out, I just want to draw your attention to what Imran Khan also did state in that video that was released on social media, going on to state, and I quote, "If you don't fight your rights, then you will remain as slaves, and slaves have no life or future." The reason why I bring that up is because your party has also termed it the worst trial in history and a biased decision by the judge. Why does the party think so?
Well, see, Imran Khan often addressed to the public, I mean, to the supporters, and he's I would call him a motivational speaker as well. I mean, the most of his followers are the youth, so he always motivate them. He always before him. Over youth was not interested in the politics, so he bring all the walk of the life. I mean, everyone, every civil different sector of the society to the politics. Anyways, as far as the party's concerned, I mean the further moves and strategy, that is very clear that we are not going to protest on the large scale on the roads. I mean. Because last time after the 9th May, over 10,000 workers were arrested, and they are going to politically victimize in the same manner. I mean, if we conduct a large-scale protest, so they would try to arrest furthermore. I mean, on a large scale. We are preparing for the upcoming elections as well. So this time we'll make a legal battle against them, so that we can contest election as well.
As you speak about the elections, how does this, in your opinion, impact the political scenario in Pakistan? If you could help us understand your perspective of the same.
See, political instability has a direct effect on the economic situation, the law and order situation, and there is a great disappointment among the youth and among the majority of the people of the Pakistan. So this political chaos, this political instability will further worsen the situation. I mean. The trust of the people, which is already, I mean, deteriorated. So I don't think we are expecting any political stability in Pakistan in coming days.
Abdul, you go on to state that this is a political vendetta as well. Why does the party believe so? As far as this case is also concerned, they did state that there was enough evidence to be arresting him in this particular case.
Well, never had it happened in the history of Pakistan that the most popular leader of the Pakistan is currently facing over 200 cases. I mean, where this happened in the world, that a political leader is facing the cases of the murder, cases of the high treasons, the cases of the terrorism. So I think this is quite unfair. I mean, you file 200 cases to the one person. Even it is not humanly possible that one person can appear in all courts for the 200 cases. So these are, I mean, with the malified intentions to politically victimize and to politically eliminate Imran Khan. So everyone knows that this is all this happening by design. I mean, this judge Humayun Dilawar, who is a very biased. I mean, we have filed a petition against.
Abdul, I'd have to interject you there. Stay with me. In fact, this is an image of his arrest that we were showing the picture just a few minutes ago. But let's also listen into his reaction quickly.
पाकिस्तानियों, जब तक ये पैगाम आप तक पहुंचेगा, मुझे ये अरेस्ट कर चुके होंगे और मैं जेल में होऊंगा, तो मेरी आपसे सिर्फ एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, अपील है कि आपने घरों में चुप करके नहीं बैठना। मैं ये जो जद्दोजहद कर रहा हूँ, ये अपनी ज़ात के लिए नहीं कर रहा, ये अपनी कौम के लिए कर रहा हूँ, आपके लिए कर रहा हूँ, आपके बच्चों के मुस्तकबिल के लिए कर रहा हूँ। अगर आप अपने हकूक़ के लिए नहीं खड़े होंगे, آپ غلاموں کی زندگی گزاریں گے. اور غلاموں کی کوئی زندگی نہیں ہوتی. غلام ایسے ہوتے ہیں جیسے چونٹیاں زمین پہ ہوتی ہیں, ان کے اوپر پرواز نہیں ہوتی. اور یہ بڑی خواب کا نام تھا پاکستان. نعرہ تھا لا الہ الا اللہ. پاکستان کا مطلب کیا؟ کہ ہم کوئی انسان کے سامنے نہیں جھکتے. لا الہ الا اللہ انسان کی غلامی سے ہمیں آزاد کرتا ہے. اور ہمارے نبی صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے اپنی مدینہ کی ریاست میں سب سے پہلے انسانوں کو آزاد کیا تھا عدل اور انصاف دے کے. یہ ہے جنگ انصاف کی, آپ کے حقوق کی, آپ کی آزادی کی. اور کبھی بھی یاد رکھیں کوئی آزادی پلیٹ میں رکھ کے نہیں دیتا. جس طرح میں کہتا ہوں زنجیریں گرتی نہیں ہیں, توڑنی پڑتی ہیں. پرامن احتجاج آپ نے کرتے رہنا ہے جب تک کہ آپ کو آپ کا حق نہیں ملتا. اور وہ سب سے بڑا فنڈامنٹل رائٹ ہے ووٹ کے ذریعے اپنی حکومت منتخب کرنا, نہ تو کسی اور کوئی قبضہ گروپ اس ملک کے اوپر قبضہ کر کے بیٹھ جائے جو آج قبضہ کر کے بیٹھا ہوا ہے.
آج عمران خان صاحب کو جو سزا سنا دی گئی ہے جج میت لاور صاحب کی طرف سے, اور سزا میں انہوں نے کہا ہے کہ 3 سال کی سزا ہوگی اور ان کو جو ہے نا نائل کیا جاتا ہے. یہ سزا انہوں نے سنائی ہے. ہائی کورٹ ہمارے پاس اپر جو کورٹ ہائی کورٹ ہے وہاں پہ ہماری رائٹ ہمارے پاس ہے بھی. وہاں پہ ہم اپنے آپ کو وہاں پہ پریزنٹ کر سکتے ہیں اور اپنا جو ہے نا جو فیصلہ ہے اس کے خلاف وہاں پہ جا سکتے ہیں.
All right, that is, of course, first we did hear Imran Khan's reaction and then his lawyers as well. Let us listen into the report that my colleague Srinjoy has explained this particular development for us. Let's listen in.
To be expected that Imran Khan would be found guilty. Whether he is guilty or not, he would have been found guilty is a general assessment, primarily because the establishment, which is the army, the current political dispensation, and many others don't want Imran Khan to fight the next election. They believe that because of the economic situation in Pakistan, floods, and also high inflation, there would be a sweep, and Imran Khan, if it were a free and fair election, which of course is asking for a lot in Pakistan, Imran Khan would win. Now, the best way to neutralize Imran Khan, and if you've noticed that he's been banned from fighting an election for 5 years, the next election is a few months away. So quite naturally, he would not be able to fight the election. And if he does not fight the election, it will benefit the army, it will benefit the Sharif brothers, it will benefit a lot of people. So as a result, Imran Khan can be safely in jail and he can be banned from fighting elections for 5 years.